Mga katomo, mayroon ditong foreigner, nagtitinda lang siya ng ice candy. Oh. Tawagin natin siya. Ayan siya mga katomo, nag-ice candy lang. Hey my friend, come on, dito tayo. It's very hot. Very hot.
Sigurado masarap.
How much?
Sa panahon, chocolate outside, ice cream inside, ube, chocolate, strawberry.
Wow.
Sigurado mas pumura sa soft drinks at pala UTI.
Galing ay ang entrada. What flavor?
Ube, chocolate,
Oh,
strawberry.
yun. Ube, chocolate, strawberry.
Bago.
Oh. Ayun.
Meron buntot, that means
Yan.
chocolate outside and strawberry ice cream inside.
Ayun. How much?
10 peso
Okay.
only. Meron 5, wala laman.
My friend, what's your name?
My name is George Buck, but they're calling me here Mr. Bean because bam, 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 bam. Where is my teddy? Oh, my teddy is there.
Sir, what country?
Luxembourg, Europe.
Luxembourg, Europe. Why are you here in the Philippines?
Because I lost my heart in Philippines. Puso Pinoy ako.
Oh, you have a partner, Filipina.
Daddy, single daddy.
Oh, single daddy. So now, what you're living rental or
No, bahay anak.
your son or daughter?
My daughter graduate sa PCU.
Oh, what do you wanna tell in the Philippines?
Philippines, I love Filipino, masaya,
Oh, masaya.
maganda weather, ayaw po season, sobra gastos,
Oh.
and always happy.
About your like ba? Ano ba yun? Wish? No more wish or
No more.
it's okay to you? You are only ice candy. You're selling ice candy?
That is my exercise and make money.
Okay. Oh, say hello to mga katoma, friend.
Okay. To
To all
all
friends.
barkada and friends dito sa Philippines, gusto mo ice candy, call my name, George or Mr. Bean. I'll be there, I'll deliver to you.
Okay.
And only in Hugo Perez.
Okay, sige. I buy 3. Give me three flavor. Ayan mga katoma, si ating kaibigan, nagtitinda lang siya ng ice candy dito sa Hugo Perez, 13 Martires, Cavite. Ayan, hello na, bye-bye na.
Bye.
Okay.